Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage the site settings in the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome. Go to the top right corner on these three little dots, tap on it, then select the settings. Then scroll down to the site settings, tap on the site settings, and here you can allow sites to ask you for your location, your microphone, your notifications, sounds, and so on. But if you turn them off, then the sites will not ask you for these things. By tapping on this little blue circle on the right side, you can turn off sites to ask you questions. If you turn them on, then it will be blue, this little circle. If you turn them off, it will be gray. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.